Hello guys, this is week 7 assignment of the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. So we have tried our best to give you the most accurate solutions. So if you feel there are any changes to be made, please give your opinion answer in the comment section. So now let's see the first question. So first one, values of CSV files are separated by what? So for first question, the correct answer is first option, commas. Now let's move on to the second question. So second one, what is the output of the following code? So they have given a large code, right? So they are asking the output for this. So I have did this in my compiler. So when I have did this, I have got the answer as third option. Now let's move on to the third question. Third one, what will be the output of the following code? So here they have given an import the turtle package. So they are asking what will be the triangle that it will form. So for this code, I have got the answer as third option, equilateral triangle. So mark for third question the answer as third option itself. The third question, the third option. Now let's move on to the fourth question. So fourth one, so they are asking what is the following program. They have given the program. They have given programs for all the four options. They are asking which of the following code will draw a hexagon. So hexagon means like this, right? Yeah, this will be the hexagon, right? With six sides, right? So I have did this in my compiler for all the four options. So after doing that, I have found that the answer is this one, second option. So mark second option as correct answer for fourth question. Now let's move on to the fifth one. So guys, watch full video, because if you skip the video you may miss some changes. So do watch full video, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and please share that within your WhatsApp student groups and to your classmates and friends also. So make this spread as much as possible, and definitely like the video, then only our videos will appear in suggestions for many students like you. So fifth question, which of the following library is used to render data on Google Maps? So for fifth question, the probable answer is third option, gmplot. Gmplot. Now let's move on to the sixth question. So guys, we have also prepared programming assignment videos, so you can watch that. So sixth one, what is the output of the following code? So here in this question they have already given the code, and they are asking what will be the image that it will draw. So I have did this in my compiler. So when I did this, I have got the correct answer as The fourth option. This is the answer, I mean the output that I have got. Fourth option is the probable solution. Now let's move on to the seventh question. Seventh one. Which turtle command is equivalent to lifting up a pen? So for seventh question, the name itself tells pen up. Second option. So mark second option as correct answer for seventh question. Let me erase this first. Yeah. So second option is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the eighth question. Eighth one. Why do we use functions? So for eighth question, the correct answer is all of these. That means all of the above. Now let's move on to the ninth question. Ninth one. Library used to import images. So what is that library? So for ninth question, the correct answer is first option, PIL, Pillow Library. So mark first option. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th question. In snakes and ladder, what can be the ways to track ladders and keys? I mean snakes. So if you see the first option, maintain a dictionary with snakes or ladder number blocks as keys. And next, using the if condition to check on every number. So the most probable answer is both these two options, guys. That means third option, both A and B is the probable solution for 10th and final question. So friends, I hope these are 100% probable solutions. But if there are any rare mismatches, please notice them and give your positive answer opinion in the comment section. So we'll try to sort it out. And if anything comes to our notice, we will also inform that in the comment section. So once again, watch the video comment section before the final submission for any corrections. So that's it, guys, for this video. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this with your friends, classmates and within your WhatsApp student groups, and make it spread as much as possible so that our videos will appear for many students and they also will get benefited like you. And definitely like the video, guys, so that our videos will appear in the suggestions for many students. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So if you got benefited through our channel, then keep supporting forever, guys. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.